Have you recently looked at your credit report and noticed in a credit inquiry that you did not do? Something you don't recognize? Well, if you did, here are the simple steps of how to remove a fraudulent credit inquiry from your credit report. Step 1. Contact the creditor. Most people reach out to the credit bureau trying to dispute it, but it never gets removed because the credit bureau reaches out to the creditor and it still is viewed as valid. So you have to go to the source and contact the creditor directly. Step 2. Tell the creditor that you were reviewing your credit report and you saw a credit inquiry from their organization that you did not authorize. Step 3. Ask them to search their database to see if there is a pending application or a possible account using your information. You will have to provide them with your social security number, your name, and possibly your address. Step 4. If they do find an account and one that is opened and established, ask them what are the procedures to dispute the fraudulent account. Follow the directions. If they ask you to send written documentation, make sure you know where to send it, whether it's by email or by regular mail. If you do send it by regular mail, I recommend sending it certified return receipt requested. That way you have proof of delivery. They may also ask you to get a police report or file a report with the Federal Trade Commission or the FBI's IC3. If you do reach out to your local law enforcement and they tell you they can't take the report, try one of the other alternatives. Step 5. If there's only an application or the application was denied or is pending, tell the creditor that you want to dispute the fraudulent credit inquiry and you would like for them to reach back out to the credit bureau and have that removed from your credit report. Step 6. Ask the creditor if they can send you some kind of written confirmation or documentation stating that you are not liable for the account was never opened, and that they are going to reach out to the credit bureau to dispute the fraudulent inquiry. Some companies are more inclined to do this than others, but it doesn't hurt to ask. The amount of time it takes for the credit inquiry to be removed from your credit report ranges from 90 to 120 days from when the creditor notifies the credit bureau. I recommend make a notation in your calendar in 3 to 4 months, pull a credit report or all 3 reports if it was shown on all 3, and verify the information has been removed. If the fraudulent inquiry has not been removed from your credit report, reach back out to the creditor and ask them for a status update. Make sure anytime you're contacting creditors or any other organization, you write down the date and time of the call, the name of the representative that you spoke with, and a brief summary, and also the phone number that you called. Sometimes you call the main number and they end up sending you to a different department. So it's always good to ask them what is the direct phone number so in case I need to call back. And record all that information and keep it in your notes because you might need to refer to it at a later time. So that's it. Simple steps of how to remove a fraudulent credit inquiry from your credit report. So now it's your turn. Have you had a fraudulent credit inquiry on your credit report? What steps did you take? Did you find that it was difficult, or did you find it was an easy process? How long did it take you? If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.